Yesterday is a dream, tomorrow is a vision, but a day well lived makes every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the annual day 2014-15 of Embassy of India Square in Oslo. Indeed, it is a special and a memorable occasion. We would like to extend a warm welcome to one and all on this auspicious occasion. May the excitement of today enthuse you, may its enchantment surround you, and may the fellowship we share create happy memories and smiling magical moments. As is the traditional and customary practice, may I request our respected principal, sir, to escort the chief guest and other guests for the lamp lighting ceremony. Sir, please. Light symbolizes knowledge, while darkness represents ignorance. Knowledge removes ignorance, just so way light dispels darkness. Diva Jyoti Parabrahma, Diva Jyoti Janatana, Deepo me hara to papa, Diva Jyoti Manus. I fold my hands before the maintainer of this creation in the form of this light. I adore this light which destroys all the pains resulting from my omissions and commissions. I request all of you to stand up for the national anthem. रंगों की पहचान है फूल, हम सबकी मुस्कान है फूल, ऋतु वसर की शाम है फूल, ईश्वर का वरदान है फूल. Flower spells glass, flower spells magic. From time immemorial, flowers have always been a token of love, appreciation, gratitude, and reverence. May I request our respected Principal Sir to welcome the Chief Guest, the Indian Ambassador, His Excellency, Mr. P.S. Raghavan, with a bouquet of flowers. I also request respected Principal Sir to welcome Mrs. Barbara Raghavan, our guest of honor, with a floral bouquet. I request respected Principal Sir to welcome with a floral bouquet our Chairman and Deputy Chief of Mission, Mr. Sandeep Arya. And finally, to also present the bouquet welcoming Mrs. Sandeep Arya. Thank you. I request our respected Principal, Mr. Vinay Chani, to present a memento on behalf of the school fraternity to our chief patron, the Indian Ambassador, His Excellency Mr. P.S. Raghavan. I also request your Principal Sir to present a memento to our chairman, Mr. Sandeep Arya. I now request our respected Principal Sir to present the annual report 2013-14 of the Embassy of India School. Sir, please.
Good afternoon. It's my legitimate pride and pleasure to have the esteemed presence of Honorable Ambassador of India to the Russian Federation, His Excellency Mr. P.S. Raghavan as the chief guest and Mrs. Barbara Raghavan as the guest of honor to our school annual day. I, on behalf of the entire school fraternity, extend a warm welcome to both of you. I also take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chairman and Deputy Chief of Mission, Mr. Sandeep Arya, and Mrs. Sandeep Arya to this function. I extend a hearty welcome to all other dignitaries, directors of other schools, to the August gathering of the parent community and all other stakeholders and well-wishers of the school. Our annual day is a special day for all of us as we rejoice in the success that we have achieved. Today we look forward with a sense of hope towards greater growth and progress. We are proud to acknowledge that we had good results, achievements in academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities this year. I proudly place before you the achievements of our Vidyalaya through this annual report. Embassy of India School, established in the year 1987, had a humble beginning. In the year 2014, the school expanded its occupancy with 3 additional rooms in the 3rd floor. In this long journey of 27 years, we have grown tremendously with 14 sections and a total enrollment of 363 students and 41 staff. It's a fact that the school is one of the much sought after schools in Moscow, not only by the Indian community but by members of other embassies as well. Today we look back with gratitude to all our well-wishers, visionaries, Honorable Ambassador, Chairman SMC, our officers at KVS, former principals who guided, inspired and motivated us in our successful journey over the years. I am proud to have with me an enthusiastic and vibrant team of staff members, 18 Indian-based teachers and the rest local staff to aid me in the smooth functioning of the school and cater to the Indian student community. Academic result. The school, with the support from the parent community and meticulous efforts from both teachers and students, had been producing excellent results over the years. The year 2003 board exams saw 100% result in class 10th and 6 students have scored 10 CGPA. Their names are as follows: Master Srikanth Srinivasan, Miss Yashashvi Kaul, Master Ruslan Alanau, Master Aryaman Tripati, Master Ishak, Master Ish Kapoor, Master Nikhil Jain. Yes. In class 12th board examination, the school scored 81.25%. Alfred Saju topped the science stream with 89.8%. and Jamal Alano topped the commerce stream with 80.4%. The school result of other classes 1 to 9 and 11 was 100%. Alumni achievers. We are also proud to place on record that all our students have gained admissions in various prestigious institutions like NIT, VIT, and in various foreign universities like University of UK, Dubai, US, China and Moscow after passing out of our school. CCA activities. The CCA activities of the year began with students being divided into 3 houses and monitored by housemasters. House activities. The entire year saw a plethora of house activities in myriad forms. Children participated in various programs like poem recitation, calligraphy, essay writing, quiz, paintings, greetings, card making, solo song, and group song competitions with great fervor and enthusiasm. Celebration of important days. Assembly program is conducted class-wise so as to ensure every child's participation on stage. All major festivals are being celebrated through assembly program. The students also actively participate in the celebration of other important days like Environment Day celebration, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day, Teachers Day, Hindi Pakwada, etc. Community lunch. To instill in children a feeling of caring and sharing, community lunch was organized in the school while observing Children's Day. Investiture ceremony. The investiture ceremony was held on 2nd June 2014. In order to include students' participation in sharing the honors of school administration, a student council was framed with 54 students being inducted into it. The Deputy Chief of Mission and Chairman of the school, Mr. Sandeep Arya, was the chief guest of the event. Clubs. Every student of this school is a member of a club. There are about 7 clubs, namely ICT Club, Science Club, Library and Readers Club, Mathematics Club, Music Club, Arts Club, Social Science Club are some of the clubs that are actively functioning in the school. They have undertaken various new initiatives under these club activities. They made working robots, presented seminars, book reviews, composed poems, made paintings, participated in video shows, played language games and mathematics games, made presentations, blogs, web pages and worked on many creative projects during this club activity period. Cultural exchange programs. The students visited Etinomir in the month of April and represented the Indian pavilion in presenting traditional games of the country. The student played Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, etc. over there. A few students of EOIS participated in the festival of the competition of youth creativity in school number 1331 as part of cultural exchange program on 29th October 2014. Our students performed a classical and folk dance wherein 10 schools of different countries participated. 15 students of our school participated in a photo competition and performed Bengali dance as a part of cultural exchange program in 1239 School, Moscow on 14th November 2014. Sports. The school has a PET teacher who constantly guide and prepare the students for various track and field events, athletics and many games such as Kho-Kho, throwball, football, chess, kabaddi, table tennis, badminton, etc. Children are usually taken to the nearby ground during the games period. For the promotion and recognition of students' attitude and aptitude in games and sports, the school organized annual sports day on 7th June 2014 with lots of fanfare and many fun activities for the children of primary section. The children were taken out to the stadium in the month of October to play house-wise football and throw-ball tournaments. Keeping in mind the physical well-being of the students, the school has also arranged an expert coach from JNCC for conducting weekly yoga classes, exhibitions and Olympiads. The school conducted social science exhibition for secondary and senior secondary classes. Models pertaining to different historical and sociological and geographical importance were displayed by students. They also presented a traditional dance form of West Bengal and a patriotic song of UK. It was also followed by an English debate competition. All these activities ensured all the students participating in one or other item. The Science and Mathematics exhibition is scheduled for the end of November. Students have registered for Olympiads in different subjects and they are scheduled for the end of November. Student achievers. Apart from the academic achievers, we have a few students who have etched a name for our school in the annals of history. Mridul Gupta of class 1 won second position in ice skating and second position in Russian dance in competitions conducted in Moscow. Ishita Kapoor of class 5 won several accolades in international ice skating in Dubai and China and is currently touring Austria for an ice skating competition. Lakshmi Raghunath of class 10 gave their first solo recital in Moscow on 24th October, inching herself into the professional level of Bharatanatyam dancers. Teacher achievers. Mrs. Sadhana Pandey, primary teacher, has been selected for the Innovation and Experimentation Award 2014 for the work submitted in the category of Innovative Experiments and Practices in Elementary School Education by KVS on the topic Nurturing Creative Expressions. Projects and initiatives. To enhance reading habits, the primary section has taken up the Reading Club project and initiative of KVS under the Common Minimum Program. Book pooling, class library are all being effectively done through this initiative. The school is also registered to the international pilot project of KVS Tony Blair Face to Faith Foundation, which works with the youth to promote international understanding through meaningful dialogue with the help of monitored blogs, charts and video conferences. SMC meetings and PTMs. The school management committee meets once in every term to discuss the steps taken to improve the general and specific areas of the school which needs improvement. Parent-teachers meet is held regularly after the formative examinations and summative exams up to class 10, and after each unit test and half-yearly for class 11, and after every monthly test for class 12, to monitor the progress of the child and to work out feasible measures to solve difficult areas. Medical checkups and counseling. Regular medical checkup is done in the school, and the school is utilizing the services of a doctor to attend to the medical needs of the students. The school counselor gives guidance to the students who require counseling and tries to ensure that the students achieve a full-rounded personality. Remedial classes. The school works towards improvement in the academic field by taking care of the late bloomers through remedial measures in the entire session. Special timetables are made and remedial classes are monitored by the principal. Educational tour for the development of the personality of the taught and to develop the aesthetic sense and appreciation through informal learning. Field trips and excursions were organized for all the classes from 15th May 2014 to June 11th June 2014. Students visited Zoo Park, Dolphin Show, Darwin Museum, Cosmos Museum, Angeloskuya Park, Sadichno Park and Victory Park. It's heartening to note that Embassy of India School is on its stride to a healthy classroom which includes dealing with junk food to healthy growing up. A thinking classroom from emotional intelligence to personalized learning. A well-rounded classroom covering everything from going green to pupil power. Though we have made tremendous mark on our parent organization with our achievements and assets, we have many more miles to stride, and I am sure it's going to be a lifetime of creativity, a life of adventure and enterprise. The school served the nation with distinction 27 years, but I venture to think the best is yet to come. The words of flowers is the mantra of the school. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. As we move on to the prize distribution ceremony, I request our Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Mr. P.S. Raghavan, to give away the prizes. I also request the head boy and the head girl to escort the other guests on the dais to the VIP gallery in the auditorium. The world's greatest achievers have been those who always stayed focused on their goals and have been consistent in their efforts. We start with the academic toppers, class 10. 6 students scored 10 CGPA during class 10 CBSE board examination. May I request the chief guest to give away prizes to these achievers. Master Shrikant Srinivasan, 10 CGPA holder and first position holder in class 10, winning the special award with a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. Please give him a big applause. Master Ruslan Alanov, 10 CGPA holder and second position holder in class 10, also winning the special award with a cash prize of 7,500 rubles. Since he is not here at the moment, we are moving on to the next person, Ms. Yashasvi Kaul, 10 CGPA holder. Master Aryaman Tripathi, 10 CGPA holder. Since he is not here, we are moving on to the next person. Master Ish Kapoor, 10 CGPA holder. Since he is not here, the award is being received by his sister. Master Nikhil J.S., 10 CGPA holder. The School Topper Award for Class 12 AISSCE examination. The award in Science stream goes to Master Alfred Saju, who scored 89.8%, and is also a recipient of a special award in Class 12, getting a cash award of 11,500 rubles. On behalf of his brother, Alfred, Andrews is taking the award for his brother. The award in Commerce stream goes to Master Jamal Alanov, who scored 80.4 and has also bagged the special award for Class 12 with a cash award of 11,500 rubles. Since he is also not available here, we are moving over to the special award in the other classes. Class 4, Piyush Mehta, winner of special award, first position, getting a cash award of 7,750 rubles. SP Tanushri, second position holder, winning a cash award of 5,000 rubles. She's not there, so we're moving over to class 5. We have in the first position Siddharth Arya, getting the first position in special award and bagging a cash award of 7,750 rubles. He's also not present. We're moving over to Shreya Srijesh. May I request our chairman, Mr. Sandeep Arya, to be on the stage to receive the prize for his son, Siddharth Arya. So please. Moving over to class 6, Taran Agarwal. Taran Agarwal has scored the first position and he is getting a cash award of 8,750 rubles. Sunit Francis has received the second position and he is bagging a 6,000 rubles cash award. In this category, we have 2 students scoring up exactly the same points. We have Ishida Mukherjee also winning the second position and winning a cash award of 6,000 rubles. Ishida is not present here. We're moving over to class 7, P. Sri Priya, first position holder with winning 8,750 rubles. Next, second position is to Raj Aryan. He scored the second position and is back 6,000 rubles. Class 8, the first position holder is Sumanyu Arya. He's winning a cash award of 8,750 rupees. Second position holder is Arati PS, winning a cash award of 6,000 rupees. Class 9, first position holder is Sagrika, winning a cash award of 10,000 rupees. Second position holder is Lakshmi Raghunath, winning a cash award of 7,500 rupees. Class 10 cash award is already given along with the toppers, so we're moving over to class 11 science stream. Gaurav Badan, winning the first position in science stream class 11 to winning a cash award of 11,500 rupees. We're moving, since he is not here, we're moving on to the next candidate, Sachit Rose, bagging the second position and along with a cash award of 9,000 rupees. Class 11th Commerce Stream, Ronak Tiwari, scoring the first position and bagging the cash award of 11,500 rupees. Second position, Kowal Singh, winning the second position and along with it a cash award of 9,000 rupees. Class 12 science stream, the first positions are already taken away, so we are giving to the second position holders. Anandali PS getting the second position and along with it the cash award of 9,000 rupees. On behalf of her mother is taking away the prize. Class 12 Commerce Stream, again the first position holder, the prize is given away, already announced. So the second position holder, Disha Manoj Kotwani, getting the second position and along with it, 9,000 rubles as cash award. Here we have our parents receiving the award on her behalf. The best performance or house activities for the year 2014-15. The house that has secured the maximum score is Volga House. May I request the house captains, the teacher in charges and the CCA department of both primary and secondary to join in for a photograph as well. Messages that are simple, inspiring and life-affirming are a welcome change from the high-stress life we are leading. I now request our honorable chief guest to address the gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome a great visionary and ardent supporter of the Embassy of India School, And our Chief Patron, the Indian Ambassador, His Excellency Mr. P.S. Raghavan. Sir, please.
Thank you very much. Chairman of the school, Sandeep Arya, Principal, Velaswamy, members of the school management committee, teachers, parents, students. It's a great pleasure to be here with you today as we celebrate the annual day of the Embassy of India School. We've heard the annual report of the school today from the principal, and we heard how from very modest, small beginnings in 1987, the Embassy of India School, 1987, the Embassy of India School in the last 27 years has achieved so much, expanded and created a visible footprint in the educational landscape of Moscow. I congratulate you on this achievement, and as has already been said, congratulations are due to the generations of principals, teachers and management committees of the school. When in 1987, the then Ambassador of India, Mr. T.N. Kaur, took up with the then Soviet government the need for an Indian school here in Moscow, his idea was fundamentally to create educational opportunities for children of employees of the Embassy of India, Moscow, so that they have the facility of continuity in their Indian education as they move from India, and again a continuity of education as they move back to India after their parents did a stint at the embassy. At that stage, in fact, the question of which Indian school to partner with had come up, and after much deliberation and inquiry with a number of schools, Ambassador Kaur came to the conclusion that the Kendriya Vidyalaya was really the best fit for the Embassy of India School for a large number of reasons. I think the choice has proved to be very wise. The association with the Kendriya Vidyalaya of the Embassy of India School has proved to be extremely fruitful, and I think the results that the principal mentioned of the school's achievements this year show that this partnership has been good for the school and for the students as well. I believe that the school has also made a great achievement in expanding to go beyond the Embassy of India school children to cover the Indian community as well as other foreign school children here in Moscow. As far as the Indian students go, it has performed an invaluable role in, as I said, imparting education according to the Indian system. It has also done another great service to Indian children here by keeping them engaged with Indian culture. The principal mentioned the various Indian cultural activities that are being pursued by the school. In addition to this, there is a third element which is unusual for an Indian school, for a Kendriya Vidyalaya associated school. It is the fact that you are here in a foreign country and you are here as an Embassy of India school. So to that extent, you are actually representing the Indian Embassy, you are part of the Indian Embassy in a foreign country, and therefore the projection of Indianness in the country in which you are situated also becomes part of the objectives of the school. And here again, I see from the annual report that the school has integrated very well into the local community. It has participated with other schools in a number of competitions, in a number of cultural activities as well. I saw that students have participated in ice skating and other Russian activities. This is a very good manifestation. It widens and broadens the horizons of the children, and to that extent leads to an even wider education. So I congratulate the school on your achievements in imparting an all-round education to the children who you have with you. As part of the annual report, we also saw that though the school has grown from a total of 50 when it started to a total of something like 360, over 360 now, you still have a number of constraints. In spite of the expansion of the school premises, I think you have constraints in class size, you have constraints in the area available for cultural activities, areas available for sports activities. The very fact that we are here in another building in order to celebrate the annual day shows this. I think here also we are on our way to a solution. I mentioned this when I met you at the sports day earlier this year, that the embassy has succeeded in acquiring from the Moscow government a large area on which we also propose to build the Embassy of India School. So we hope that the project of constructing a new Embassy of India School with its own auditoria, with its own sports facilities, and with a larger area for the classrooms will be another major step forward in the life of